Good morning, students. This is Mamta from Department of Botany. I am fortunate to reach you all through this media. This semester, I will be handling environmental biology. Environmental studies is a multidisciplinary science because it comprises various branches of studies like chemistry, physics, medical science, life science, agriculture, public health, sanitary, engineering, etc. It is also a science of physical phenomena, that is, a physical phenomena which is present in the environment. It studies sources, the reaction, transport, effect, and biological species to water, soil, and effects of these, that is, all these upon these nothing but on the environment. Environment once again comprises of natural resources, and these natural resources are once again that is divided into that is what we call it as renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. Renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources are the two types which are available in nature. Now coming over to the natural resources can be defined as the resources found in the environment and are developed without the intervention of human beings. Natural resources include air, sunlight, water, soil, that is stones, plants, animals, and all. Now coming over to the renewable and non-renewable natural resources. Renewable natural resources, it can be renewed, and it is available in nature in infinite quantity, and the characteristics of these renewable natural resources, they are sustainable in nature, that is, they are available in nature, and they are having a low cost and environment friendly, and can be replenished quickly, that is, we can once again, that is, can be regained quickly. And now coming over to the non-renewable natural resources. So these non-renewable natural resources, once completely consumed, it cannot be renewed due to a limited availability in nature. See, that is, many of the resources, they are available in nature, but they are available in a limited quantity, and these, that is, the characteristics what we will be using, that is which are to make out these non-renewable resources are exhaustible in nature, that is, once they are being used, they are not available in nature, and high cost and less environmental, that is, they have their overall resources definitely will be high cost and less environmental, that is, definitely they are available in nature in a limited quantity and all. So this is about nothing but non-renewable resources and all. Now once again, just we will be discussing about these resources, especially that is about the what we could now, just now I discussed you about non-renewable natural resources, that is, they can be replenished slowly. What do you mean by the word nothing but called as replenished? That is, do not what replenished naturally at all, that is, do not regained at all. So once it is used up, it is used up, it cannot be regained. So this is the characteristics of non-renewable natural resources. Now once again, in these natural resources, we will be using two main natural resources, that is, two resources mainly what you have for your syllabus, that is, food and energy. First, we will be discussing about food. See, food, it is a natural resources, and this food is used to make, that is, all these natural resources, that is, it compromises of many other things, and food is also one among the natural resources. All the food that people or we eat comes from plants and animals. Man need energy for various activities, as you know all, and these activities include movement, that is growth, and your respiration, reproduction, and other activities and all. For physical and that is metabolic activities, energy, it is essential. So food is, once again, if food is being defined, then we will be defining food as a nothing but a substance which is a mixture of nutritive and non-nutritive substances. Now, the main components of food are, as you know, what you have studied in your lower classes: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and water. Then, that is, these once again are being divided as nothing but that is what you will be regaining these mainly carbohydrates, fats, and all these through that is the sources like nothing but what called as cereals, pulses, eggs, oils, sweets, milk, cheese, fruits, etc. Food is once again classified mainly on the basis of, that is, work, what you will be doing, and on the basis of nutrition also. So, see, on the basis of these nothing but the work, and also on the basis of nothing but what is called the work, what you will be doing, food is being based on this. So, if you just take out a healthy young man who, that is, does a physical work, needs about 3000 calories daily. Such diet should contain 90 grams proteins, 90 grams fats, 450 grams carbohydrates, and a sufficient amount of vitamins, minerals, and of course water. Due to overpopulation, there is an increased consumption of food. Efforts are being made to increase the food production all over the world. But see, in many parts of the world, a number of ecologically unsound practices are being that is carried out, which has resulted in what is called as a short-term production. That is, what in short-term production you will be gaining the food, but it will be of the low quality food, and definitely that is you will be getting it at the expense of long-term food output. So now that is this what called short-term food production has resulted once again in many that is what called adverse effects are there on the environment. And one more thing is, that is, you have what called as overgrazing and burning of vegetation, deforestation, expansion of agriculture, and all these are some of the examples where we will be seeing what the adverse effects on mainly on the environment is being seen because of the short-term productions. Okay, thank you. We will discuss the next part in the next class. Thank you.